Alright, today we're making a chicken dish that feels like a secret from a 5-star kitchen. We begin with the rhythm of the blade. 1 large onion, cut into rough, honest slices. We aren't looking for thin perfection today. We have a different purpose for these later. We set them aside and gather 8 cloves of garlic, followed by a twinge piece of ginger. We slice the ginger slowly. Its size is bold, but its warmth is necessary. Next, to hot green chilies, slit down the middle to release their heat. And finally, a handful of cashews, taken straight from the jar. Simple, raw, and full of promise. In the wok, 4 tablespoons of oil meet the heat. We add our gathered aromatics, letting them stir-fry until the world begins to smell different. We roast them until the onions surrender their color, and the garlic and chilies become fragrant and golden. This is the foundation of our flavor. Now, a vital step. 1 cup of fresh curd becomes our canvas. We add a teaspoon of cumin powder and a tablespoon and a half of coriander. A touch of salt, the sharp bite of crushed black pepper, and a teaspoon of white pepper. Finally, a teaspoon of allspice powder. We mix it until it's a smooth, lump-free paste adding. A 1/4 cup of water if needed to reach that perfect, silky consistency. Our roasted vegetables have reached perfection. We transfer them into the chopper with half a glass of water. We grind them into a fine, pale paste. It should look exactly like this smooth, rich, and full of the essence of the roast. We take 1 kilogram of mixed chicken pieces. In the wok, half a cup of oil and a tablespoon of butter begin to shimmer. Then come the whole spices. Cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 green cardamoms, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, and 3 small pieces of cinnamon. We add the chicken now, letting it fry with these aromatics until it's sealed with flavor. A pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of green chili paste. We use no red chili today. The heat comes from the green chilies and the peppercorns alone. Now, we reunite the chicken with our ground cashew and onion paste. We mix it well, letting it simmer on a medium heat. We cover it, allowing the chicken to cook in its own steam for 6 to 8 minutes until it's 60% tender. Then we introduce the spiced yogurt paste. While the chicken softens, we prepare the finishing touches. 1 inch of ginger, cut into delicate juliennes. Half a tomato, deseeded and cut into cubes. A quarter of a green bell pepper, sized to match the tomato. Two slit green chilies and a pinch of fresh coriander. These are the jewels that will sit atop our dish. The chicken is almost done. To elevate it to the next level, we add 2 tablespoons of fresh dairy cream. It turns the gravy into velvet. We cook for just 1 minute more. If you prefer a lighter dish, you may remove the excess oil now. We layer our garnishes on top: the ginger, the tomato, the peppers. Finally, the signature of a 5-star kitchen: a small piece of foil, a glowing charcoal, and a drop of the oil we just separated. We cover it for 60 seconds. The smoke infuses every fiber of the chicken. When the lid is lifted, the aroma is unmistakable. Dish it out, share it with your family, and watch as they ask for your secret. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a lovely comment about this video. I'll see you in the next one.